24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I welcome you on behalf of the Snowman publishers. In this video, we will cover the topic of soil from chapter 8 of Science Grade 5. The video will cover soil, formation of soil, layers of soil, types of soil, and absorption of water by soil. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Greet the students with a smile and ask them how they are. Then start introducing the lesson with a quick recap of what the students already know. Remember to always start building a new lesson upon previous knowledge of the students. Hence, ask them, what is soil? Have you ever observed soil closely? Is the soil same at all the places? Keep connecting their answers with new questions so that a foundation for the lesson is developed. This will help the students revise the characteristics of soil. Keep writing the responses on the board. With the help of the textbook, explain to the students what soil is and how it is formed. If a multimedia is available, you can also show to the students a video on the formation of the soil. Then conduct the water, soil, and jar activity to give the students a visual demonstration about the layers of the soil. Take a sample of the soil and put it in the jar. Fill the jar 2/3 with water and shake it well. Leave the jar to rest for 1 hour. Layers will start to separate. Show these to the students. Then, with the help of the board and the textbook, explain to the students about the layers of the soil. Show to the students pictures of different types of soil. If a multimedia is available, you can show pictures on it. With the help of the textbook, explain to the students the characteristics on the basis of which soil is characterized. Conduct an activity to show to the students how water is absorbed by different types of soil. For this, take samples of different types of soil and place them in separate funnels. Put beakers below each funnel. Pour an equal amount of water in all the samples and let it drain completely through all the soils. Measure the amount drained in each sample. Explain the results to the students with the help of the textbook. With the help of the students, quickly recap the lesson. Try to make the student participation more. For homework, you can ask the students to prepare a model of layers of the soil in a jar. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.